Good morning. And it's the first day of school after summer break, and it's super early, and I'm getting ready to make some pancakes. But I wanted to show you a tip of the week on how I make my pancakes, because what I do is that I make a bunch of pancakes, like a lot of pancakes, and then I save some of them and I freeze them so when the boys need them, they're ready to go. And it's easy, especially on those hectic mornings that we couldn't get ourselves together or something went wrong and I can't make breakfast. I just go in the freezer and grab that trusty save the day breakfast, which is the frozen pancakes. And I wanted to show you how I make these pancakes. My boys love these pancakes, so this is how I do it. So what you'll need for these pancakes is either pre-mix your own mix of pancake mix, or you can buy pre-mixed pancake mix. I buy this ginormous bag at Costco and I just portion it off and it's ready to go for when we need it. And my secret weapon to making these pancakes super healthy is the Amazing Graze Kids Superfood chocolate flavor. I put a couple of spoonfuls of this inside my pancake mix and it makes it healthier. It has protein and all the vitamins they'll need. I actually buy this on Amazon, so I'll link it below. I totally recommend it. My boys love it. Not just on chocolate milk, we put it on our pancakes and on our smoothies as well. So this is amazing. I also add chocolate chips. I buy this ginormous bag of chocolate chips at Costco as well. And I add a couple of chocolate chips and it saves me from having to put syrup on the pancakes, and it gives it a little bit of that sweetness and makes the pancakes nice and chocolatey. The boys love it. I also add eggs and water, and if you don't want to add water, sometimes I put almond milk in it and mix it up, and that's perfectly fine. So now I gotta get going and make these pancakes because I hear the boys are almost ready to come down for breakfast. So let me get started. And here they are, a bunch of pancakes just in time because the boys are sitting down ready to eat breakfast. So let's see how they like them. So these are it, they're ready to go. And what I do with the leftovers is that I put them in a Ziploc bag and I freeze them. And this is a mom trick to cut pancakes. Pizza cutter. How is that? It was a little hot, but those are his favorites. So, nutritious breakfast and tons more for next time.